Now that you've created an account, let's create a class and assign some games to your students. Once you've logged into the game portal, you should find yourself on the classes page. To create a class, click on the Create Class button. You'll be asked to name the new class. Each class you create will require a unique name. After naming the class, you can begin adding games by clicking on the game you wish to add under the Add Games section of the Create Class menu. Once you've named a class and finished assigning games to it, click on the Create New Class button. The final part of creating a class is inviting students to the class. This is done by clicking on the Invite button. This will generate an invitation key, which you will need to give to any students you want to play the game you've chosen. They will then use it to log in and create their own game portal accounts. Just like you, students will have a choice of creating a new game portal account or signing in and creating an account using Google. If you plan on your students playing the games using Chromebooks, make sure they sign in with the same Google account they will be using on the Chromebooks. Once a student has an account, they can play the game you have assigned to them by clicking on the Launch button on the game page inside the game portal. Once you have students playing the games, you'll want to keep an eye on their progress. First, choose the class you want to look at, and then click on the View Dashboard button to bring up a list of every student you have assigned the game to. Here, you can see which students have played the games, which levels they have completed, and how long it took them to finish each level. Some of the games available through the game portal also contain certificates of completion. These can be printed out from the progress page once a student has successfully completed the game by clicking on the student name and bringing up a PDF of the certificate you can print or download. For the game Mind Your Own Budget, the certificate works slightly differently. It tracks student progress as they achieve each of the 14 Passport to Financial Literacy objectives. The certificate for Mind Your Own Budget may be accessed at any time after the student has begun playing. In the next video, we will look at the different kinds of supplemental educational materials available in the game portal and how to access them.